Revolvers, a classic and enduring firearm design, have a rich history in the world of handguns. Known for their reliability and simplicity, revolvers offer a distinct charm and nostalgia. With their rotating cylinder and various calibers, they continue to be valued for self-defense, target shooting, and as collectible pieces among firearms enthusiasts. Number 10. Kimber K6s DASA, a compact and reliable revolver that embodies Kimber's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The K6s DASA offers the versatility of both double-action and single-action operation, providing shooters with options for every situation. With its 6-round cylinder and smooth trigger pull, it delivers precise and consistent shots. The K6s DASA features a stainless steel frame and barrel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its ergonomic grip provides comfort and control, making it an ideal choice for concealed carry and personal defense. Equipped with adjustable sights, it allows for quick and accurate target acquisition. Whether you're a seasoned revolver enthusiast or a first-time buyer, the Kimber K6s DASA offers a blend of reliability and performance that sets it apart. Experience the excellence of Kimber with the K6s DASA and enjoy the confidence of carrying a premium revolver. Number 9. Ruger SP101, the compact revolver that packs a punch. With its sleek design and sturdy construction, this firearm is a favorite among gun enthusiasts and concealed carry permit holders. The SP101 boasts a 5-round capacity, providing reliable firepower when you need it most. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable shooting experience, while the double-action trigger allows for quick and accurate follow-up shots. Built with durability in mind, the SP101 features a stainless steel frame and barrel, making it resistant to wear and tear. Whether for personal defense or recreational shooting, the Ruger SP101 delivers reliable performance in a compact package. Trust the SP101 to be your reliable companion in any situation. Number 8. Colt Python, a true icon in the world of revolvers. Renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and unparalleled performance, the Python sets the standard for quality and precision. With its distinctive vented rib barrel and sleek lines, this revolver exudes elegance and power. The Python's smooth trigger pull and crisp break ensure exceptional accuracy, while its 6-round capacity provides ample firepower. Crafted with attention to detail, the Python features a stainless steel frame and a beautifully polished finish. Whether for target shooting or self-defense, the Colt Python remains a timeless choice for discerning shooters. Experience the legacy of the Python and embrace the heritage of Colt's unrivaled revolver lineage. The Colt Python, where artistry meets performance. Number 7. Taurus Raging Hunter 460, the ultimate powerhouse in the world of revolvers. This beastly firearm packs a punch with its formidable 460s and W Magnum chambering. The Raging Hunter 460 features a robust stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and reliability in the most demanding conditions. Its impressive 6-round capacity provides ample firepower, while the ported barrel helps reduce recoil for more manageable shooting. The ergonomic grip and adjustable rear sight ensure a comfortable and precise shooting experience. With its striking design and exceptional performance, the Raging Hunter 460 stands out from the crowd. Whether for hunting or sport shooting, this Taurus revolver delivers uncompromising power and accuracy. Unleash the beast within with the Taurus Raging Hunter 460. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and W Magnum, the epitome of raw power and precision. Engineered for maximum performance, this revolver is chambered in the mighty 500s and W Magnum cartridge. The Performance Center 500 features a stainless steel frame and barrel, ensuring strength and durability. Its 5-round capacity delivers devastating firepower, while the muzzle brake helps tame recoil for more controlled shooting. With its smooth double-action trigger and adjustable sights, this revolver allows for precise and accurate shots. The ergonomic grip provides comfort and control, even during intense shooting sessions. Whether for big game hunting or target shooting, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500S and No. Magnum is the ultimate choice for those seeking unparalleled power and performance. Experience the pinnacle of revolver excellence with the Performance Center 500. Number 5. Ruger Custom Shop Super GP 100. The pinnacle of performance and craftsmanship. Engineered to exceed expectations, this revolver is a masterpiece from the renowned Ruger Custom Shop. The Super GP 100 boasts a robust stainless steel construction, ensuring strength and durability. Chambered in 357 Magnum, it offers versatile firepower for various shooting disciplines. Its 6-round capacity and smooth double-action trigger provide quick and precise follow-up shots. The sleek design is complemented by a hand-finished and polished frame, showcasing the attention to detail. The Ho hardwood grip enhances control and comfort, while the fiber optic front sight ensures rapid target acquisition. Experience the precision and quality of the Ruger Custom Shop Super GP 100, a revolver that embodies excellence in every shot. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 986 9mm, a masterpiece of precision and performance. This revolver from the esteemed Performance Center is chambered in the popular 9mm cartridge, offering versatility and ease of use. The 986 features a stainless steel frame and barrel, ensuring durability and reliability. Its 7-round capacity provides ample firepower, while the smooth double-action trigger allows for rapid and accurate follow-up shots. With its sleek design and attention to detail, this revolver is a true work of art. The Performance Center 986 also boasts an ergonomic grip for enhanced control and comfort. Whether for competition shooting or personal defense, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 986 9mm is the pinnacle of revolver excellence, delivering unmatched precision and reliability. Number 3. KORTH Carry Special. The epitome of luxury and performance in a compact revolver. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Carry Special from KORTH is a true masterpiece. Chambered in various calibers, this revolver offers versatility for any shooter's needs. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the 5-round capacity provides ample firepower. The Carry Special features a smooth double-action trigger and a beautifully designed frame, making it a joy to shoot. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, allowing for precise and controlled shooting. Whether for concealed carry or as a collectible piece, the KORTH Carry Special showcases German engineering and craftsmanship at its finest. Elevate your shooting experience with the exquisite KORTH Carry Special, where style meets performance. Number 2. CHIAPPA RHINO 20DS, a revolution in revolver design. This innovative firearm challenges the conventional wisdom with its unique barrel placement and distinctive appearance. The RHINO 20DS features a bottom-mounted cylinder that aligns with the bottom of the barrel, reducing muzzle rise and recoil. Chambered in various calibers, it offers versatile firepower for any shooting scenario. The 6-round capacity ensures ample ammunition, while the double-action trigger allows for smooth and precise shooting. With its ergonomic grip and adjustable sights, the RHINO 20DS provides exceptional comfort and accuracy. Crafted with Italian precision and quality, this revolver is a true standout in the world of firearms. Experience the cutting-edge design and performance of the CHIAPPA RHINO 20DS, where innovation meets excellence. Number 1. Charter Arms PITBULL, a compact and reliable revolver built for versatility and convenience. Chambered in various popular calibers, including 45 ACP and 9mm, the PITBULL offers the unique ability to shoot rimless cartridges without the need for moon clips. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the 5-round capacity provides ample firepower. The PITBULL features a smooth double-action trigger and a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle and shoot accurately. With its compact size and lightweight design, this revolver is perfect for concealed carry or as a backup firearm. The Charter Arms PITBULL embodies reliability and innovation, delivering a seamless shooting experience with its unique cartridge adaptability.